Here in the coupon section, you can manage and edit your current coupons. You can also add new coupons. So to add a new coupon, you're going to click on this Create Coupon button, and that's going to open up a new page for you to create your coupon. Here you can select to view your coupons by all coupons, only the active ones, scheduled, or expired. And then here on the right hand side, you can search coupons by name. And then when you're looking at your coupon list, you're going to see the coupon name in this column here, the coupon code, the discount, whether it is a dollar amount discount or a percentage discount. Here you're going to see the start date of the coupon. So this is going to show the day and time the coupon started. Here you'll see the status, whether it is active, expired, or scheduled. And then your total redemption count is going to show here. So this is going to show how many times your coupon code has been used. You can also click on these three dots here to the right of any of your coupons. Here you'll be able to view the history of your coupon, edit your coupon, or delete your coupon.